Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by validating basics. Check ILO firmware and reachability, because outdated firmware blocks features. Once done, log in with an account that has remote console privileges and make sure LDAP or local auth works. Next, enable the HTML5 or Java console in the ILO web interface. This selects the client you'll use. Also, open required firewall ports and confirm browser compatibility, because a blocked port or unsupported browser will stop the console before you even click the Remote Console button. You now launch the Remote Console from the ILO Web UI. Choose the HTML5 client for most browsers and Java only if legacy features are needed. When the console opens, set display resolution and keyboard layout so input matches the host OS. This avoids strange characters during setup. If you must boot from media, mount a remote ISO as virtual media and initiate a virtual CD boot. This steps into the server's BIOS or installer. Make sure clipboard and keyboard redirection are configured to. You finish by completing the intended task. Install an OS, flash firmware, or run diagnostics. Then gracefully unmount any virtual media and close the remote console to release the session. Once done, download relevant integrated management log entries for troubleshooting or compliance. These records explain unexpected reboots or errors. If the console drops or won't connect, restart the ILO management processor, clear your browser cache, and try a different browser or network. Often a stale session or blocked port is the real culprit.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.